Hello and welcome to View from Bio, a special coverage of BioConvention in Philadelphia. I'm here with Sevim Tekeli, project coordinator of Istanbul Health Industry Cluster. Istanbul is known for attracting a lot of FDI. It's known to be a cluster for a lot of sectors, but not necessarily maybe for biotech. If you could tell a little bit about the Istanbul Biotech Cluster.
Yeah, sure. We are the first biotech health industry based cluster in Istanbul actually. İSEC, Istanbul Health Industry Cluster, is a collaboration of various industrial companies with the related university research centers and public institutes as well as NGOs. The companies differ from large-scale companies to startups, and the number of the companies is around 100. We have 16 university research centers and 12 NGOs and 2 public institutions. Our main aim is, as cluster, is to increase dialogue, first of all, local dialogue within our companies and universities, to provide university-industry partnership and develop and promote research-based and value-added sector development in Istanbul. There are some other clusters in Turkey, in Ankara, the capital, in Anatolia, and also in Aegean side, but the dynamics of Istanbul is so different than the others, even different than the capital, because the ecosystem is has a very high potential in Istanbul. Investors are there, the best universities are located there, the best labor force is located in Istanbul, as well as the most of the production sector for each sectors, including biotech, located half of the Turkey potential is located in Istanbul. So our cluster just differs from the others, and what is the other difference is we are really focusing on development of entrepreneurship, biotech-based entrepreneurship. So we have some incubation centers within our cluster. So we are also trying to match the firms within our clusters, not always with the other regional firms or regional clusters.
Mm-hmm. If a startup from another company comes to you guys and asks for help for someone from ISEC, in what ways can you help them? Can you help them?
Yeah, sure. If they need a laboratory to continue their research, they can just apply to us and we can provide them. If they need a bigger company to match with and to use their marketing capacity, we are also trying to match with the other companies. If they need a fund, we unfortunately we don't give fund, but we are directing them to apply the national and international funds, and we are mentoring them. We have also a mentoring pool in Istanbul, and big companies managers are mentoring to the startups young directors.
Mm-hmm. And for the final question, health cluster is a very broad term, so if you could tell us a little bit about subsectors that are particularly important for Istanbul or particularly strong in Istanbul.
Actually, there are many medical device companies in Istanbul. The numbers are like 1,000 maybe. However, they are mostly small and not very strong companies. There are more strong companies on pharmaceutical sector, and recently they are mostly working on biosimilars because the national government announced a grant for biosimilar research.
Sevim, thank you very much and enjoy the rest of bio.
Thank you.